This video will show you how to find and download the software for SmartLog Desktop and the FOS Onboard Software Kit. Open the Wärtsilä homepage www.wärtsilä.com and go to the Marine section. Click on the Fleet Optimization link and scroll down until you reach the Data Service Download section. Click on the FOS Downloads button to get on the software download page. Scroll down again for the FOS Onboard Software Kit. Select the FOS Onboard Software Kit and start the download by a click on the file name. The progress of the download is shown in the upper right corner of your browser screen. In addition, operating and technical manuals are available for download too. Finally, scroll down to the SmartLog Desktop section as you did before and click on the file name to download the SmartLog software package. If needed, operating and technical manuals can be downloaded the same way as before. A pop-up window will show the completion of the downloads. In the next video, we will explain how to install the software.